Hey guys, this is a DIY to replace BMW E46 window button switch. As you can see, I already removed this one just to get it out of the way. I'll tell you what I'm doing here. Okay, tools you need. This is what you need. Obviously, brand new. I recommend getting only a new one. Don't waste your time buying a used one on eBay because more than likely, cars about 5 to 10 years old, these are going to be loose. They're going to break. This is actually my This is my second module. I got lucky. I got a brand new one for $24. Don't believe me? BMW. Very high quality switch. Very high quality. Now what happens, these clips break off. See that tab? Let me show you. Let me try to focus on here. So here, right there, there's a little hole there. And that fits into this little right there. See that? See that? The tabs sit in there. There's like a pin on each side. And over time, as you lift this, they snap out. Look at my thumb. These snap out, causing you to buy a completely new unit. Now, they sell just the tabs. These things here, $10 on eBay, Amazon. It's going to look like this. I took this off of this one. So I'm replacing this whole unit. This had one like so. I took this one out. I'm putting it on here. Now, let's get to the important stuff. How do you remove this? Be gentle here. You can use recommend plastic pry tool or obviously a flat screwdriver. Just don't damage. This lifts up like so. That's step one. Step two. This pops up just like so. Be very careful. Don't pull it up all the way. There's wires here. Remove this on top of this to support that. Don't be intimidated. All you need to do is remove 2 screws. 1 and 2. I did the courtesy of removing them prior. That's it. 2 screws. Now what do? Lift this up like so. If it doesn't come off, it's because you've got like residue here, like coffee, soda, and it sticks. Remove that like so. Now you see, bam, switch, switch. See this? You can tell I bought this used. That's why it failed. Now, bam, clip comes off. That's it. Now, see this tab? Bam. One tab. Let me set my camera down here. Forgive me, guys. It's kind of difficult. Obviously, okay, bam, tab. Look at that, like butter. That's it. So now you got this removed successfully. So again, this is what I'm doing, guys. Now this, I took from here. I'm going to remove it to the right side, which is this one. Now these tabs goes on here, and you want to gently clip that tab. See that? See that white part? That goes on the hole there. Be gentle on both sides. Okay, be careful. Put that. Now install. Lift this up. Now I recommend you clean everything out, vacuum it, clean it out. The last owner was obviously a smoker. Anyways, let me set this somewhere. Hold on. Sorry guys for all that movement. All right, let's get going here. All right. snap into place. Now this is slips in here. These tabs slip in here. Bam. Now the second one. First, let me go ahead and put this button on here. I'm going to be very, very delicate here. Now what I did was I got some alcohol and I cleaned this out. Alright, let's do this, guys. Ready? Careful, careful. Alright. Wow, it actually works. Alright, let's install this bad boy. Bam, snaps like butter. Snaps like butter in there. Alright, let's go ahead and set this down gently. 2 screws go back on. Let me remove this here. Grab my screws. I apologize for the shakiness, guys. This is my first attempt on DIY. I've done plenty of DIYs. I've changed my brake pads. I've changed my steering, my front left tie rod. The tie rod is what keeps the pivot of the wheel aligned straight ahead, parallel to the road. So I've changed that. I've changed my my water pump, my water thermostat. Alright guys, now tying these up, don't go crazy. It's, you know, it's plastic. This ain't going nowhere. It's not moving, so it's not gonna come apart. Clean this around, make sure these are intact. Hold on, I gotta make sure. Make sure these, I don't know what the heck this is. This, I guess some kind of a tab. How did this come apart? See guys, there you go. That's why when you remove this, you gotta be very gentle. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and sorry guys. All right. There we go. Snap that down. Now push this rubber down first before you attempt to put this down. Now mine snapped. It kind of snapped this plastic, so it's not working that well. Damn. Put that down. Now let's test it. You guys ready to test this bad boy? Oh yeah. Just like butter. Wow, this became a 9-minute video. Wow. Now this, what do you do with this old bad boy? I don't know, if you have spare time, try to make something that, you know, you can snap these back into place. Now you can buy the plastic part just like this, but there's like $7, $10. It's like, why would I pay $10 for two to each of these when I could pay $20 for this and it's already installed new? Well, I got lucky. I found the new part. You're most likely gonna get a used part. I'm not dissing used parts. I'm just saying, if it is used, make sure they have a return policy, because if this plastic snaps off, then it's just counterintuitive. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe. If you're lazy to like or subscribe, I understand. You're being lazy. If you're not lazy, just subscribe and I appreciate it. Alright guys, have a great day and enjoy the ride.